Welcome class. Please stand for our national anthem.
A couple of
you guys have been asking how I come up with the chords, so I'm going to go over a bit of the theory. So I already have these chords done. I started with the root note right here, which is the root in the scale, G. I counted 2 up, 1, 2, and then I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down to get this note. And once I got these notes here, I just filled these in. So if I'm just trying to learn how to build chords faster, I would start from here and then I would just add in notes. You don't really need music theory, you just need to train your ear. The name of the chord doesn't matter, you know? But yeah, just always start from the root note in the scale and then stay within the scale and count 2 up, 6 down. And that's how you can make this sort of progression here. And then for the rest of the notes, skip a couple spaces, click it in, skip a couple more spaces, click it in. And then as you do it more and more, you'll pick up on what sounds good and what doesn't.
Let him cook.
It's really easy to get stuck on something and then just dig at it forever, you know? Nothing will ever be perfect, so you just got to get it out. Especially if you're just trying to learn. You just want to get it done, go back to the beat, listen to it, and be like, oh, okay, this is what I could work on. And then for the next beat, you're aware of that, and then you can work on that. And then just keep doing that over and over. I hope that helped you guys a little bit. Back to the cookup. Now I'm gonna make that plug lead like glide down. Now I'm gonna do the drums. I'm gonna be using my kit Evolve. Make sure to go get that. Links will be down below. Let's go. You guys can go to underdogs.oo and get my drum kit. That shit would just help me out a lot. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys learned something. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, make sure to sub, follow me on Instagram @proudmaze. Yeah, join the Discord too. And yeah, see you guys. Peace.